Alright guys, welcome back to Speedhaus. Today we have one of our friends from overseas that's not German. This Honda boy Integra right here. This is a new Acura Integra Type S, and today we are working on lowering springs and a front splitter.
We have a APR carbon fiber front splitter in this ginormous box right here, which seems a bit overkill. More cardboard than carbon, but that's okay. And we got the, how do you technically pronounce these? I never know. Eibach?
Oh,
Eibach? Eibach? We got the lowering springs right here. Yeah, this one should be pretty self-explanatory.
We've sort of already started.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's okay. It's really simple. If you've never done lowering springs on the Honda, most Hondas are pretty simple, especially the rear. So currently for this, there's one bolt right here for the sway bar inlink. You pull that, and you pull this bolt right here, and this whole arm swings down, and pull the spring out, shove the spring back in. Really simple with the front, a little bit more complicated, but rear's not too bad. Thought that was a great intro. That's the kind of money they got. All right, I got this other spring in now. I'm really showing y'all it's two bolts. It's literally pull this one, so the sway bar inlink will go up. And you just grab the arm and pull it down. Your spring literally just pops out. Here's the new spring going back in. It's that simple. Like 13, 17, and a 10. That's it. That's all it's taking. We gotta get this alignment spacer lined up. He's gonna be very mad for using my chrome socket.
Now that we're done with the back, time to move on to the front. First thing we're gonna do is pull the front tires and
pull the front tires and we'll go from there.